What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video I have another phone accessory for your charging needs. This was sent out to me to try out on the channel, so I thank you to iWalk for sending out this Type-C portable charger for me to try out. This is the Linkpod Plus. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
If you find yourself interested in this charger, you can currently purchase it off of Amazon with 3 color options. It's black, pink, and white. The difference in color does not change the price. It is currently going for $59.99. Next, let's take a quick glance around the packaging. I must say that it does have a little weight. At the top left, we have iWalk is the brand and Linkpod Plus is the device we're taking a look at. Nothing on the side. If we take a look at the back, here's where we're going to get the specifications on the battery capacity. Now, the bigger charging dock that has a 9,000 milliamp per hour capacity, and then you take a look at the smaller charger that has a 4,500 milliamp per hour capacity, giving us a total of 13,500 milliamp per hour. As you see, no unboxing tool needed. They did provide you with these little tabs to pull off the tape on each side of the packaging. So let's go ahead and do that and finally take a look at this portable charger. Here is the power bank and charger already connected as one. On the right side of the power bank, we have a USB-C in and out, as well as USB-A out. So you have other options to charge other devices. Now here we have a little screen, which this is going to show us the battery percentage of the power bank. Press this button to show the battery percentage on the power bank. The feel of this is not completely like slippery. It has a slight kind of texture on it, so it's not going to slip out of your hands. And as you see, I press the button and it's giving me a 26% battery reading. So we definitely have some charging to do to get this thing to 100%. But let's keep exploring the charger before we do so. You notice this little hole right here. This will be an indicator light for the actual little charger. Let me go ahead and take a look at the easiness of accessing the Type A charging port. It wasn't that difficult to get the cover off. I'd like to test out later what the cover does as far as putting stress on a charging cable. Getting to the little charger is very easy. You just pull the 2 pieces apart, which reveals the Type-C prong, as well as you notice right here, it says DC 5 volt. This is just like a little magnet, and this helps also charge the charger when you have it connected to the battery pack. So you see right here, this is where they connect. So basically you can charge about 3 devices with this combo. I can charge the iPhone with the portable charger and 2 other devices with the power bank. Here's a closer look at the Linkpod, the front and then on the back. So nothing really to it. It's fairly light, so you could just throw this part in your purse or in your bag or even in your pocket if you wanted to. And there is only really one way to connect the power bank to the charger. So as you see, that's not going to work. You need to make sure that the magnetic contacts align. That way the charger will stay connected to the power bank. Notice that there is a green light flashing. So what this is doing is actually the power bank is charging our mini charger. So the little flashing light will be the indicator for when the power bank is charging our little charger. Now, if you're lucky to have the iPhone 15 and newer, you do get that Type-C port. And as always, it doesn't matter which direction you plug in the charger when you're using a Type-C port, because it will accept either direction. What's nice about using this charger is that it also is equipped with fast charging. When using the larger power bank, it has a 20-watt power delivery for the Type-C and an 18-watt power delivery for the Type-A. Okay, so here's where stuff got real for me. I thought I was going to go ahead and plug this in and charge it. Here you see it's at 25% for the power bank. And then I even showed you that it was around 422. I figured about an hour and a half to 2 hours, I should be good to go for the power bank and the charger. Boy, was I wrong. It took about 1 week, 2 days, 3 hours, 4 minutes, and 5 seconds for it to fully charge to 100%. I'm just joking. It took about 5.5 hours to fully charge the power bank as well as the charger. When it's time to charge both chargers and they are connected, charging priority goes to the smaller charger on the bottom first. Once that charger reaches 100% charge, it will only then go to charge the power bank. One great thing about this charging duo is the smaller charger. I don't need a cable to charge my device. I can just simply pull it out from the power bank and start charging up my device. But those are days when I actually carry one device. And if you know me, I typically carry 2 to 3 devices. So that's when you're going to need the power bank to do its thing. And even though I have my iPhone charging, I still have one empty open slot to go ahead and charge another device. There's no better time than now to test out that USB-A port, but what I am noticing is that cover that protects the port is kind of in the way, and it's making it a little difficult to get that charging cable in that port, especially while I'm already using the Type-C port. The way they designed the cover, that little lip kind of has nowhere to go, so it is in the way. Okay, now that me and that USB-A cover has an understanding, I have finally got the charging cable into the port and I can charge another device. The Linkpod Plus gives you the capability to charge multiple devices. Now, it will depend on how big your battery is in those certain devices, on how many charges you will get from this charger. The Linkpod will display 3 different colors to show the battery status for the Linkpod. So you have red, meaning 0 to 30%. There are also sometimes where it flashes green, which is 31 to 60%. And if it's blue, it's 61 to 100%. Please take note that now that the Linkpod has fully charged, now the power bank is going to be charged. It has its own little indicator. As you see, the little green icon is letting us know it is charging. The answer is yes, you can charge the power bank without the charger being attached. It will just go ahead and only worry about charging the power bank. So once I turn it on, you'll notice that the power bank is charging because you see that little green icon in the little corner right there. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.